Today is a bittersweet day because today we are getting rid of the roller coaster feature. We're retiring it, we're taking it apart. This was the feature that pretty much got the ball rolling for the channel, so I am definitely sad to see it go. But we're gonna replace it with a skinny obstacle course type feature to better suit the tech line, because right now, this is pretty much just a roller on the tech line. Oh boy. If anything's ever stuck like this, get yourself a cheater bar. Oh yeah. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is just have it go up and then back down. Super simple. We're gonna do stringers on both sides of the 4x4 so it's extra stable. We're gonna shrink it. It'll probably be around 5 inches or so. But yeah, super simple, super easy. Let's get this first part knocked out. Okay, so now that we've got this set up with just the structure, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to our next portion, which is gonna be a teeter totter. I'm gonna use a 4x4 with pretty much a really strong hinge. And in my head, and in theory, this works, so let's go ahead and try it out. Honest, I don't think the teeter totter is going to hold up, so I'll probably end up getting some piping and do like I did on my old teeter totter. We can go ahead and give it a test ride now, and I'm curious, how many tries do you think this is gonna take me? Because I'm thinking maybe like 5. Okay, so this thing's actually really hard to do. I'm thinking it's just gonna take a lot of speed. I'm just gonna have to get some balls and kind of go.
it's definitely a matter of speed. Lots and lots of speed just to get you up over that teeter totter. I think I'm gonna get it. I think I'll get it.
I don't know how to get off this.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, that is hard. Wow.